Norwegian Joy has recently expanded the Vibe Beach Club area, and it is just amazing. Everyone knows that this area is the place to be in the Caribbean, but did you know it's incredible for Alaska too? Just imagine having a hot tub to yourself as you approach a glacier, or walking up to your private bar and the bartender knowing your name and preparing your favorite drink without even having to ask. Vibe Beach Club never has more than 165 guests, but rarely, if ever, do you have that many people at one time. But the area can hold everyone at once, so that means lots of loungers and space for a small group of people. We just spent 10 days on Norwegian Joy to Alaska, and let us show you our experience in Vibe Beach Club. Glacier Day is always one of my favorite days of an Alaska cruise, and we are up here in Vibe Beach Club because we are heading into the inlet where Hubbard Glacier is. Jason literally has a hot tub to himself. I'm going to be getting in shortly. I just had to get a little bit of work done first. Secondly, they gave us blankets. I'm literally sitting on a padded chair with my laptop, cold Coke Zero in a can, just extra fantastic. There are cookies over by the bar and hot chocolate. Let me just walk around and show you this. This is fantastic, and this is just such a spectacular way to spend the day. Perfectly temperatured hot chocolate out here on a cold day. But look at these amazing padded loungers. What? They have the cabanas too that you can get. And then just look out there. Oh, so pretty. This is deck 20, so it's the highest point on the ship. And from here, I can see off that side of the ship, I can see forward, I can see on that side of the ship, and I can see off the back. I can literally get a 360-degree view from this deck. That's pretty spectacular. So we saw cookies earlier, and there was hot chocolate, but now as we are approaching the glacier, they have brought out seafood rolls. Well, let's give it a try. It's got a good spicy sauce on it, and another Coke Zero. Yeah, I'm all warm and toasty with my blanket wrapped around my legs as we approach the glacier. I can see it right here from my seat, or if I want a really clear view, I can stand up next to the hot tub, and then you don't have the glass. But I can see it perfect right here, right now. When we get right up on the glacier, I'll get out of my chair and take some more pictures. But right now, I'm quite comfortable. Okay, this is glacier viewing at its best. I have been port side for most of the time I've been up here at Vibe, but right now the glacier is really shown on starboard. So let's go over to starboard and see what we can see. Hot tubs and glaciers.